scratches, dull paint, or swirl marks ruining your car's shine. With the right tool, the solution is simple. The best car polishing machines deliver the power, control, and precision needed to achieve a professional-level finish with less effort. Watch till the end and be sure to check the links in the description below for each product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Batoca S4 Cordless Car Polisher Machine. The Batoca S4 Cordless Car Polisher Machine is designed for users who want precision, portability, and professional results without the hassle of power cords. This wireless polishing machine features both 3mm and 12mm random orbital motion, making it highly effective for removing light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and paint imperfections while maintaining a smooth, safe finish. Powered by two 2.0 lithium batteries, the Batoca S4 delivers consistent performance with extended runtime, allowing you to complete full detailing sessions without frequent recharging. Its cordless design provides excellent freedom of movement, making it easy to reach tight or awkward areas of the vehicle. The compact and lightweight body reduces hand fatigue during long polishing sessions, while the ergonomic grip improves control and accuracy. This machine is ideal for car enthusiasts, mobile detailers, and professionals who need a reliable, easy-to-use polisher for daily detailing tasks. Whether you are applying polish, wax, or finishing compounds, the Batoca S4 offers smooth operation, balanced performance, and dependable results. Number 2. Autiwoz Dual Action Car Polishing Machine. The Autiwoz Dual Action Car Polishing Machine is a powerful and reliable tool built for serious car detailing and paint correction work. Equipped with a 920-watt high-power motor, this machine delivers strong, consistent performance suitable for polishing, waxing, and removing paint defects. Its 9mm random orbital motion ensures even pressure distribution across the surface, reducing the risk of paint damage while delivering a smooth, swirl-free finish. This makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced detailers. The dual-action system minimizes heat buildup and prevents paint burn, allowing for safer and more controlled polishing. Variable speed control gives users the flexibility to adjust power levels depending on the task, from gentle waxing to heavy correction. Built with durability and comfort in mind, the Autiwoz polisher features a solid housing and comfortable grip for extended use. It is ideal for professional garages, detailing studios, and DIY users who want dependable performance with professional-grade results. Number 3. Spta 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher. The Spta 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher is specially designed for precision detailing and small surface corrections. Its compact size makes it perfect for tight areas such as headlights, mirrors, door handles, bumpers, and interior panels where larger machines cannot reach. This mini polisher supports both RO and DA polishing modes, allowing users to remove micro scratches, light swirl marks, and surface haze with excellent control. The adjustable speed settings help match polishing intensity to different surfaces and paint conditions. Powered by a 12V rechargeable battery, this cordless machine offers convenient mobility and quick setup without dealing with cables. Its lightweight construction reduces strain on the wrist and hand, making it comfortable for extended detailing sessions. The Spta Mini Polisher is an excellent choice for professional detailers who need a secondary precision tool, as well as car owners who want an easy-to-use solution for maintaining paint clarity and shine in hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. Maxxt 6-inch Electric Orbital Sander and Polisher. The Maxxt 6-inch Electric Orbital Sander is a versatile machine designed for both sanding and polishing applications. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers efficient power, longer motor life, and consistent performance during demanding tasks. With its 150mm pad size, this machine covers large surface areas quickly, making it ideal for car body panels, paint preparation, and surface finishing. The orbital motion ensures smooth, even results while minimizing surface damage. A built-in central vacuum system helps reduce dust during sanding, creating a cleaner and safer working environment. This feature is especially useful for professional workshops and indoor detailing spaces. The ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution improve control and comfort during long work sessions. Whether used for automotive polishing, paint correction, or general surface finishing, the Maxxt orbital machine offers durability, efficiency, and professional-level performance for a wide range of applications. Number 5. Onevan Brushless Cordless Electric Polisher. The Onevan Brushless Cordless Electric Polisher is a high-performance polishing tool designed for power, convenience, and flexibility. Compatible with Maxxt 18V batteries, it allows users to integrate seamlessly with existing battery systems. Its advanced brushless motor delivers strong, stable output while reducing heat buildup and extending tool lifespan. This makes it suitable for waxing, polishing, buffing, and paint correction on a variety of vehicle surfaces. The cordless design provides excellent portability, allowing unrestricted movement around the vehicle without cable limitations. Its handheld construction ensures firm control, while the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during extended use. This polisher is ideal for professional detailers and DIY users who demand reliable performance and mobility. With consistent power delivery and smooth operation, the Onevan cordless polisher helps achieve clean, glossy, showroom-quality finishes with ease. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.